My work in this project was to do field work, to organize workshops in a participatory process together with local actors and with representatives of the community of 3 municipalities of Yacuiba, Villamontes and Carapari in the Chaco region of Bolivia. And this workshop aimed to reflect on the needs that people have regarding Chagas disease and to achieve a comprehensive management of Chagas disease. These people were mainly the representatives of the territorial organizations of each community and also the representatives of the health commission of the communities. What people has highlighted was like there is a great need regarding information, education and communication, regarding the complications and the different manners of healthcare for Chagas disease, the importance of the improvement of healthcare in the region and more resources that can offer a better healthcare. And finally, the importance of the collaboration and the communion of people that has the disease to provide better assistance.